హాయ్ హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి 2020లో జరిగిన ఫుడ్ సైన్స్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి అండ్ ఆల్సో మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సో ఈ పేపర్లో వచ్చేసి 2 parts ఉంటాయి. సో పార్ట్ ఏ అండ్ పార్ట్ బి. సో దిస్ పేపర్ ఈజ్ సైన్స్ MSc Food Science and Technology which was held on 7th December 2020. An example of structural polysaccharide in plants. So it is cellulose. Trisaccharide found in legumes, it is raffinose. Is a trisaccharide? Trisaccharide found in legumes, it is raffinose. Sources of vitamin B12, it is meat, liver, milk, eggs and kidney. A child shows symptoms of diarrhea, dementia and dermatitis. Which of the following vitamin deficiency he is suffering from? Answer is niacin, which is B3. So B3 equals to D3. నేను ఎందుకు అలా అంటున్నాను అంటే డి డయేరియా, డి డిమెన్షియా, డి డర్మటైటిస్. సో చాలా వరకు మర్చిపోతూ ఉంటాం. గుర్తుకునడానికి B3 ఈక్వల్స్ టు D3 అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారనుకోండి, మీరు అసలు మర్చిపోరు. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నియాసిన్. నాన్ ప్రోటీన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎంజైమ్ ఈస్ కోఎంజైమ్ అంటాం, లేదా కోఫాక్టర్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. సో లినోలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ omega 6 fatty acid. లినోలెనిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటున్నారు. సో లినోలిక్ అంటే omega 6 ఫ్యాటీ యాసిడ్. లినోలెనిక్ అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ, ఇప్పుడు లినోలెనిక్లో చూసినట్లయితే మనకి ఎక్కువ ఇంకా ఏం యాడ్ అయింది, ఎన్ అనేది యాడ్ అయింది. సో మీరు ఎన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంది, 3 ఫామ్లో ఉంది. సో మీరు దానికి ఇంకొకటి యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 ఫామ్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇలా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీగా అవుతుంది. సో లినోలెనిక్ అనేది omega 3 ఫ్యాటీ యాసిడ్, వేర్ యాజ్ లిక్ అంటే ఎన్ లేదు అక్కడ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ omega 6 ఫ్యాటీ యాసిడ్. సో మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు అంటే మీరు ఇలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్విజిబుల్ ఫ్యాట్స్ ఆర్ milk, meat and cheese. Aspartic acid is monoamino dicarboxylic acid. Foods having 95% of water are green leafy vegetables. So these are highly perishable foods. Water is lost from the body via through urine, sweat, expired air and also milk. Glucose has dash number of isomers. It is to the power of n. N అంటే number of స్టీరియోఐసోమర్స్. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కైరల్ కార్బన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి గ్లూకోజ్లో? 4 ఉంటాయి. సో 2 to the power of 4 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 16. సో ఇలా చేస్తారు. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 16. ఇన్ PCl3 మాలిక్యూల్ phosphorus atom is sp3d hybridized. The carbon bond length is maximum in ethane. How many radioactive radiations are there? There are 3 radioactive radiations. Mannose is C2 epimer of glucose. All alpha amino acids are optically active except glycine. It's most important bit. Which form of radioactive is most penetrating? It is gamma rays. It's also important. Lab coats and gloves provide shielding from alpha and beta radiation. Digestion of food starts in mouth by the alpha amylase. Renin changes the casein of milk to para-casein in the presence of calcium ions. Milling of wheat is carried by roller mill. Rice bran undergoes spoilage very quickly. The reason for it is oxidation of bran oil. The mineral found in high proportion in barley is iron. So barley is rich source of iron. Durum wheat is suitable for the production of pasta. Mayonnaise is an dash emulsion. It is oil in water. Dash enzyme is used for production of sugars from starch. It is diastase. A clear sparkling juice is called as cordial. Vinegar is percent acetic acid. So the percentage of acetic acid that is present in vinegar is 4%. So vinegar is 4% of acetic acid. What is prepared with spice bag method? So ketchup or sauce can be prepared. As per FSSAI regulation, what is the percentage of salt content in butter? It is 3%. Dash refers to immersion of birds in hot water for losing the feathers. So it is scalding. In Jetka method of slaughtering, dash is damaged. Medulla oblongata is get damaged. Nitrate and nitrite along with sodium chloride is called as curing agent. GMP, good manufacturing practices. GHP, good hygienic practices. And hazard analysis critical control point or adopted by food safety management system. By the process of compressing powder in a dye, the following are prepared. It is tablets. A flavor produced by the use of butter and brown sugar is caramel. Dash is one of the major anti-nutritional factor present in rapeseed, and mustard is uric acid. In case adulterant used is safflower petals. Black pepper is sometimes adulterated with papaya seeds. Conidium is asexual, whereas zygospore is sexual spores. An obligate halophil requires high salt. Ropiness in bread is caused by Bacillus licheniformis. Red bread or bloody bread is caused due to bacteria. It is Escherichia marcescens. Black rot in fruits is due to Alternaria. Green patches on meat surface are caused by Penicillium species. Pink rot in cheese is caused by Pseudomonas. Surface ropiness in milk is caused by alkaligens viscolactic. Blue milk is caused by Pseudomonas cincyanea. Sulfide or sulfur stinker is heated canned foods is caused by Chloristridium nigrificans. Food serves as culture medium for growth of pathogenic organisms. Bacillus cereus. Chloristridium botulinum produces a neurotoxic. What is ale? It is a type of beer. Rum is distilled liquor. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage. Which of the following is not a fermented product? It is paneer. Red wine is manufactured by fermentation of grapes with skin. Distilled wines are brandy. Cider is fermented apple. Action of food acids on the can results in hydrogen swell. Ash is called as cold sterilization of food. It is irradiation. Mediums used for dry heat methods are air or fat. High pressure processing of food is dash technique, non-thermal technique. Blanching aims at inactivation of enzymes. The process of exposing the food either electromagnetic or ionizing radiation to destroy the microorganism is known as irradiation. Which of the following preservation methods maintains the texture and original characteristic of fruits and vegetables to the closest possible level? It is chilling. Which of the following is a heat processing method of food preservation? It is carbonation. The product obtained after boiling of pulp with sufficient sugar to thick enough consistency and firm enough to hold tissues in position is known as jam. The same process of jam making is used for jellies except that dash is used in place of fruit pulps. It is fruit juice is used in making the jellies. A mature fruit or vegetable or its pieces impregnated with a heavy sugar syrup till it becomes tender and transparent is known as preserve. Most commonly used refrigerant in household negligeraceous is freon. Extrusion cooling of food is high temperature short time process. The process of heating the product to a predetermined temperature. It is pasteurization. Who was the first person to describe a method of canning of foods in 1807? It is Nicholas Apatis. At what concentration salt acts as preservative? It is 15 to 20%. Suspending of shreds of citrus fruits peels in jelly or jam. It is marmalade. Preservation of food in common salt or in edible oil is called as curing. What is a batch or holding pasteurization temperature, which is LT for milk? It is about 63 degrees centigrade per 30 minutes. Which is the time required to kill the known number of the microorganism at a given temperature? It is TDT. In ice cream, sugar acts as flavor enhancer and a texture improver. The efficiency of conversion of diet calories to milk calories during lactation is about 60%. Phenylketonuria acid due to the deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase. It is important. Glycogen storage disease is caused due to the deficiency of DASH enzyme in the liver. It is glucose 6-phosphorus. Foods to be avoided by hypertensive subjects: papers, cheese, and pickles. Treatment regime for diabetes subjects includes diet plus exercise plus drugs. BMR of males is dash than females. It is higher. It's important. Sedentary workers requires lower calorie than heavy or hard working people. It is lower. Which of the following work together to maintain the chemical fluid and electrical balance between tissue cells and the blood? And it is sodium and potassium. Or high fiber diets are recommended to patients suffering from constipation. Gout is a painful joint disease characterized by deposition of particular crystals in joints. It is sodium urate. A condition which occurs due to the metabolic disorder is diabetes. Iodine deficiency does not cause dermatitis. Shifting the baby from the mother's milk to solid foods means weaning. So weaning is a process of shifting the baby from mother's milk to other solid foods. Adolescence is period of transition from childhood to adulthood. Increased nutritional requirements during pregnancy or for growth of placenta, fetus and maternal tissues. Aging is a biological phenomenon. The mineral which has similar function as vitamin B12, it is cobalt. PCM stands for protein calorie malnutrition, whereas PEM stands for protein energy malnutrition. ORT stands for oral rehydration therapy. One of the following is also known as bad cholesterol, LDL, which is good cholesterol, HDL.